What's up survivors, welcome back to the channel, and thank you for being here. If your goal is to collect every new reward before anyone else, then you've arrived at exactly the right place. Today we're covering the newest working codes for Roblox 99 Nights in the Forest. I've gathered the latest active codes that you can redeem right now for free rewards, exclusive items, survival boosts, and other limited time bonuses before they disappear. But before we reveal the first code, here's today's secret challenge. Somewhere in this video, I've hidden one exclusive mystery code. I won't tell you when it appears, and there won't be any clues. Only viewers who stay until the very end will discover it, so don't skip a single moment. And here's something special for this amazing community. Every Sunday, I host a giveaway exclusively for my subscribers. If you'd like to join, simply leave your Roblox username in the comments below. I'll randomly select the winners and announce them in an upcoming video. These codes don't stay active forever, so make sure to redeem them as soon as you see them. Missing even one code could mean missing free rewards that may never return. If you enjoy getting the fastest Roblox code updates before everyone else, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on all notifications. That way, you'll always be among the first to discover the newest codes, updates, and exclusive content. Now grab your gear, prepare to survive the night, and let's reveal every new Roblox 99 Nights in the Forest code available today.
I can't lie,